Yes. Um, I'm too drunk on here because I'm still on it. So, what? One bad thing about that game is like, what was that? Only bad thing about this one. You see a river. I haven't seen a single river on Down for Sunblock. It's really one of my most favorite games. I'm quickly about that. Oh my god, I'm so bored. I'm so close. So look, yeah. You know what? I like this gameplay running in the background, which I'm playing by the way. If I'm playing Jump twice, if I'm playing for stores, that's not good. But like, so I'm just saying what I'm doing, like this stupid page. So what fun on just off man that both genders for that. So uh, it's what I want to do over here. And it's like, so now I love. Uh, just like, don't know Flamingo, yeah. Albert, I really like that. And like, you're not done. Oh, sorry, somebody else must be up. Anyone with Daniel that, Daniel, oh, shit, I can't spell his name. What? Uh, Mr. Password. Stupid. Um, such Danny Gonzalez. Yeah. So, don't know, I really like them both. So, I want to like merge them both. I'm like a mixed up. So, I'm like if Albert and Danny child, and but as soon as I was about to be born, Albert handled it and he left home, and for his into it, and then so Danny had to raise me alone. We lived on the streets, right? And then a few years later, when I'm just about to start high school, uh, Albert comes back with Chris Hemsworth and kills Danny. Then he just proceeds to abduct me with Chris Hemsworth. Yeah, so the story is that. And then he takes me home, but then out of nowhere, Brad Pitt comes out and and shoots and kills Albert in front of me. So now I witnessed both of my parents die. Right? And then Brad Pitt and Chris Hemsworth basically adopt me. Yeah, stupid game. And they uh, they raised me for 3 more years, and then they both killed themselves in front of me, and now I have no place to go, no money, so I just live on the streets and beg for money, and that's my life. And then I died at the young age of 78, all alone in the cold, having to do as much possible. That's my life. Tell me something about yourself, what you're doing, shut up, idiots. Life.